The powder toy is an amazing tool that lets you experiment with different materials. If you want to pause this movie, you can take time to read the description of the powder toy right here. I will also include links to where you can download it at the end of this movie. For our purposes, the powder toy can be launched by going to the Desktop MT Tools folder and double-clicking on the powder shortcut. Powder is an awesome simulation that lets us play with many components and build cool things. I would like you to start by clicking on walls, and then when you click on the walls, move out to the left so that the walls stay on the list. These are all the possible ones. You notice when you touch them, it says what they are. I'm going to use this basic wall that blocks everything, and once I click it, it turns red, and then I'm going to just make a container to put stuff in. This is a world that we get to play with. So then in this container, I would like you to come down to liquids, move out to liquids and look for water, and then I'd like you to just dump some water in the container. When you're done with that, move to the explosives, come out to the left so that it stays, and then check out these items as you go on top of them. This one, called rubidium, is explosive, and it's especially on contact with, guess what? Water. So I'm going to take my rubidium powder by clicking it, and I'm going to have it come down in towards my water, and then I'm going to add some more water to make it so it touches. When I go to liquids and dump in my water, as it fills up, boom, you get an awesome explosion. Give that a shot on your screen, and then go to... Alright, just a note, I want you to keep the screen this size, just because it's better for the computers, because this program can get kind of bulky. Hit this button to get a new screen, right here. Remember to read all these things as you build, and let's build one more together. Let's go to our walls again. I'm going to find a basic wall that blocks everything. This time I'm going to make it more like a frying pan, just because I feel like it. If you want to make yours different, you may. And then I want you to go to explosives, and this time I want you to find the one called fireworks. I'm going to make a huge pile of it over here, and then I'm going to go and find the awesome ignition cord, and I'm going to add a little bit of ignition cord, and then I'm going to take the fire and I'm going to light my ignition cord. Do the same on yours, and then check out the awesome things that happen. I hit pause, so you'll have to see it on your screen instead of on mine. When you're done with that, go to the next training movie. Alright, for the rest of your time, you may go through and fiddle with these, play with the different walls that do different things. You can skip electronics, you can play with the powdered materials if you'd like. I would skip the sensors. You can use forces. Of course, all the explosives are available. Crazy things like gunpowder, drop them in, see what they do. You can use all the gases, acid, I mean, just crazy things that you can pick from. So go through and explore all the different areas, making sure that you read what they do, because that's what makes them so fun. Explore and see what you can come up with. See what kind of incredible things you can see, including the awesome maze and all that stuff, and make sure you share with your neighbors as you're... This cool page talks about how you can do control drag to get filled rectangles of material faster, and then as promised down here is how you get to Powder Toy so that you can download it.